Does your puppy pop right up the second you say stay? You're not alone. This is one of the most common struggles for dog owners. Meet Sadie, a sweet little French bulldog who has plenty of energy and zero patience. Her owners were getting frustrated because every time they asked her to stay, she'd break position the moment they took a step away. So today, Nick is showing Sadie's owner how to slow things down, how to use calm leash guidance instead of frustration, and how to clearly communicate what we're asking for. It's such a small moment, but it's where obedience really begins. Calm leadership, clear guidance, and follow through. If you're struggling with your dog's focus or patience, you don't need treats or harsh tools, just structure and the right communication. Follow us for more real-life training moments like Sadie's and see how calm leadership changes everything.